It has been said that intelligence is one of the most coveted qualities a person can possess. But what makes a person intelligent? And how can you tell if someone is highly intelligent? Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about 11 characteristics of highly intelligent individuals. First, they are curious. Curiosity is a characteristic of highly intelligent individuals. They are always asking questions and seeking out new information. They want to know how things work and why things happen. This curiosity allows them to learn new things and make connections that others might miss. Second, they have a deep interest in many different subjects. Some people are born with the characteristics of highly intelligent individuals. This is evidenced by their deep interest in a variety of subjects. They are not just knowledgeable in one area, but have a breadth of knowledge that is quite rare. They are often able to see connections between disparate things and come up with original insights. This allows them to excel in many different fields. They are also not afraid of change or challenge and always looking for new ways to grow and learn. As a result, they are often at the forefront of new ideas and trends. If you know someone who fits this description, consider yourself lucky to know someone with such a great mind. Third, they continually ask questions. Some of the most intelligent people are those who always ask questions. They understand that there is much to learn in life and that knowledge is power. By constantly asking questions, they can learn more about the world around them and make connections that others might miss. In addition, they are not afraid to challenge established beliefs and ask difficult questions. This allows them to think outside the box and develop innovative solutions. People who always ask questions are lifelong learners, constantly expanding their horizons. As a result, they are some of the most intelligent and successful people in the world. Fourth, they have a thirst for knowledge and are constantly learning. Brilliant people are always looking to learn new things. As we've said, they are naturally curious about the world around them and constantly ask questions. They want to know how things work and why things happen. This curiosity allows them to learn new things and make connections that others might miss. In addition, they are always looking for new ways to grow and learn. As a result, they are often at the forefront of new ideas and trends. If you know someone who fits this description, consider yourself lucky to know someone with such a great mind. Fifth, they have a strong work ethic and constantly strive to improve. Knowledgeable people are not content with mediocrity. They have a strong work ethic and are constantly striving to improve. They want to be the best at everything they do and are always looking for new ways to challenge themselves. This desire to continually improve allows them to achieve great things in life. People with a strong work ethic are often highly successful in their chosen field. If you know someone who fits this description, consider yourself lucky to know someone with such an incredible mind. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Sixth, they are great problem solvers and are always looking for new challenges. Great problem solvers is also a characteristic of highly intelligent individuals. They are always looking for new challenges to keep their mind sharp. They thrive on challenges and are always looking for ways to push themselves. This allows them to achieve great things in life. People who are great problem solvers tend to be highly successful in their chosen field. If you know someone who fits this description, consider yourself lucky to know someone with such great mind. Seventh, they can see the big picture. Intelligent people are not only able to see the big picture, but they can also understand how the various pieces fit together. They can see how events and circumstances are interrelated and make insightful connections that others may miss. This ability to see the big picture is essential for success in many fields, from business to politics to academia. Those who can understand the broader context of a situation are often better able to make decisions that lead to positive outcomes. They are rare thinkers with this unique ability to view the world more holistically. 8. They have a high level of empathy and compassion. Some of the most highly intelligent and successful people in the world have one surprising trait. They have a high level of empathy and compassion. While it may seem counterintuitive, research has shown that empathy is a sign of intelligence. One study found that people with higher IQs were better able to understand the emotions of others. In addition, another study found that more empathic people are also better at problem solving. This is because they can see both sides of every issue and understand how different people will be affected by a decision. As a result, they can find creative solutions that everyone can agree on. On the other hand, people who lack empathy tend to be more focused on themselves and their needs. This can make them seem selfish and unsympathetic, which can alienate others. In the end, empathy is an essential characteristic of intelligent, successful people. Ninth, they are independent thinkers and not afraid to speak their minds. Independent thinkers are another characteristics of highly intelligent individuals. They are not afraid to speak their mind, even if their opinion is unpopular. They know the only way to progress is to challenge the status quo and push boundaries. This thinking often leads to significant breakthroughs in science, art, and other fields. Those afraid to voice their opinion or challenge the status quo are usually stuck in the same place, never making any progress. On the other hand, those who are willing to take risks and speak their mind are often the ones who achieve great things. 10th, they are open-minded and willing to consider different viewpoints. They understand that no one perspective is correct and that the truth is often somewhere in the middle. They are willing to have difficult conversations and listen to opposing viewpoints. This allows them to understand the world better and find common ground with others. People who are close-minded and unwilling to consider different views often miss out on significant opportunities. They also tend to be less successful because they are not open to new ideas or other ways of doing things. In conclusion, intelligent people are rare thinkers with many unique qualities. They can see the world differently and are not afraid to challenge the status quo. They are also open-minded and willing to consider different viewpoints. If you possess these qualities, you will be successful in whatever you do. Finally, they have a strong sense of self-awareness and know their strengths and weaknesses. Self-awareness is one of the most essential qualities of intelligent people. They know their strengths and weaknesses and continually work to improve themselves. They are constantly learning and expanding their horizons. People who lack self-awareness often make the same mistakes over and over again. They also miss out on opportunities to learn and grow. On the other hand, self-aware people are constantly striving to improve. As a result, they are usually more successful in life. Although intelligence cannot be boiled down to a few superficial characteristics, the ones we've listed are essential for anyone looking to increase their IQ and live a successful life. Are you working on developing any of these traits? Let us know how you go in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and